Hey guys, so this is the 2023 BZ4X. This is Toyota's first full EV vehicle. It has 201 horsepower and has 252 miles of range as well too, with a full charge. So this is the power lift gate feature on the BZ4X. This thing is super cool. It is adjustable as well too. Let's check it out. First you turn on the vehicle, wait for it to power on. We're gonna go into the settings of it, scroll over to the right to vehicle settings, press and hold your OK button on the steering wheel, scroll down to PBD, power back door, press and hold OK, and you can make the height adjustments as well too. So after you're done making adjustments, just hit this button and you're gonna hear the sound going off and you're gonna see the back door going up. And again, my name's Ronald Cancinos here at Beaver Toyota, and this was your Car Tip Tuesday.